The world of GP is about to be hit by a technical and political earthquake that will rewrite the history books forever. We are witnessing the birth of a new era where legends are discarded, rivals become teammates, and the very machines they ride are being stripped down to their raw, violent souls. From the shocking arrival of a Turkish titan to the unbelievable betrayal of Italy's golden boy, the 2026 and 2027 seasons are no longer just races. They are a battle for the survival of the fastest. Buckle up, because the silly season just turned into a war zone, and the grid you know is about to be burned to the ground. The landscape of global motorcycle racing is about to be scorched by the most anticipated crossover in modern history. The reigning king of the world circuit and a man who defies the laws of physics every time he touches a brake lever is officially bringing his supernatural talent to the GP paddock in 2026. This isn't just a simple promotion, it is a full-scale invasion. Lining up with the powerhouse racing squad will be the spearhead for high-stakes gamble on their brand new V4 engine architecture. For years, American fans have clamored for a rider who possesses the raw, unbridled aggression of the old-school legends, and is the answer to those prayers. He isn't coming to participate. He is coming to dismantle the established hierarchy of the Grand Elite. The sheer intensity of his riding style is guaranteed to turn the 2026 season into a cinematic battle for the ages. While the hype surrounding is reaching a fever pitch, the cold, hard reality of the GP Premier class is a different beast entirely. Veteran analysts and paddock insiders like Julian are already issuing stern warnings. The 2026 season will be a baptism by fire. The transition from production-based to the ultra-rigid prototype monsters of GP is a mountain many have failed to climb. Expectations for his debut year are being tempered with strategic caution, with predictions suggesting he may only secure a handful of top 10 finishes as he learns the intricacies of the carbon fiber brakes and Michelin rubber. However, the American sports spirit loves an underdog story, and the prospect of snatching a Shock podium at a technical circuit like the remains a tantalizing possibility. This is a year of survival and education, a crucial period of growth before the real explosion of dominance scheduled for the following season. If 2026 is the tutorial, then 2027 is the year plans to set the world on fire. The biggest tactical shift in the sport's history arrives that year, the switch to as the official tire supplier. This is the ultimate ace in the hole for the Turkish sensation. While the rest of the GP grid has spent their entire professional lives perfecting their feel on or Michelin tires, has spent his career dominating the world stage on rubber. He understands the deformation, the grip levels, and the limit of these tires better than any human being on the planet. This isn't just a slight edge. It is a massive, arguably unfair head start that could render his rivals obsolete overnight. To a US audience used to seeing technical advantages decide championships in NASCAR or Formula One, this tire swap represents a monumental shift that positions as the immediate championship favorite before the first green flag even drops. The year 2027 marks the end of the space age in GP and the return of the Gladiators. The technical regulations are undergoing a violent overhaul, slashing engine displacement to 850 N. Most importantly, banning the controversial ride height devices and massive aerodynamic wings that have turned bikes into grounded airplanes. This is the great reset that purists have been screaming for. By stripping away the complex electronics and downforce that mask a rider's flaws, GP is putting the power back into the wrists of the athletes. This regulatory shift plays perfectly into the hands of a rider whose bike control is nothing short of legendary. In a world where the machine becomes less dominant and the human element becomes the deciding factor, the spectacular, sliding style of the Turkish rider will be an unstoppable force. This is the dawn of a new era where pure, unadulterated talent is the only currency that matters in the quest for the gold. The shockwaves continue as the Prince of French Racing prepares to sever his long-standing ties with the Monster Energy factory team. After years of struggling against the overwhelming technical might of the European manufacturers, the former world champion has reached his breaking point. Is a winner in his prime, a rider who demands a machine capable of matching his incredible corner speed, and the current M1 has consistently failed to deliver on that promise. His exit at the end of the 2026 season will create a massive power vacuum at the heart of the Japanese giant, signaling the definitive end of an era. For losing their star pupil is a bitter pill to swallow, but it also provides the catalyst for a total organizational rebirth. The vacancy left by L is the most coveted seat in racing, and its existence is what will trigger the most explosive transfer market chaos the sport has ever seen. In a twist that sounds like a Hollywood script, rumors are reaching a boiling point that the reigning king of Italy is seriously considering a sensational exit from. Despite his massive success, the atmosphere inside the factory is reportedly becoming toxic. The arrival of other generational talents into the ecosystem has created a too many cooks in the kitchen scenario, leaving feeling undervalued by the brand he brought back to glory. The American sports fan knows all about superstar drama and ego clashes in the locker room, and situation is no different. When the greatest rider on the greatest bike starts looking at the exit door, it sends the entire industry into a state of absolute panic. His potential departure isn't just a career move. It is a declaration of war against the manufacturer that many believe has begun to take his incredible consistency and championship pedigree for granted. If you want to find the truth in GP, you follow the hardware. The most damning evidence that is on his way out comes from the mastermind himself. Reports have surfaced that is already preparing a full factory-spec GP26 machine for a satellite rider, a move that is almost unheard of in the rigid hierarchy of Italian racing. This strategic maneuver is being viewed by paddock insiders as a clear Plan B in anticipation of his departure. It is a smoking gun that confirms the internal rift is real and perhaps irreparable. For a US audience that loves the silly season of athlete trades, this is the ultimate signal that the dominoes are about to fall, is insulating itself against the loss of its franchise player, and by doing so, they are effectively opening the door for to swoop in and steal the crown jewel of Italian motorcycling for their own ambitious 2027 championship campaign. Isn't just looking for a replacement, they are looking to build a dynasty. The master plan for 2027 involves a dream pairing that seems almost too powerful to be true, and sharing the same factory garage. Imagine the sheer marketing power and competitive ferocity of having the most successful GP rider of the current era alongside the most spectacular talent from the world. This is the equivalent of a super team in the NBA, a strategic consolidation of talent designed to overwhelm the competition through sheer force of will. For this duo represents the perfect blend of surgical precision and wild, aggressive creativity. If manages to pull off this heist, they will instantly transform from a struggling manufacturer into an unstoppable juggernaut, creating a shift in the balance of power that will be felt across the entire globe for the next decade. As the 2027 transfer market turns into a battlefield, certain doors are already being slammed shut. Many assumed that if left the factory, he would naturally land at VR4016 team. However, the latest intel suggests that pathway is firmly blocked. The VR46 squad has reportedly set its sights on the meteoric Spaniard as their primary target for the 2027 season. Is widely considered the next mark, and every team on the grid is repositioning their assets to secure his signature. This leaves with fewer options, making the factory offer even more enticing. In the high-stakes game of musical chairs that is GP, the moves of young phenoms like are dictating the futures of established legends. It is a cutthroat environment where loyalty is a luxury and timing is everything, ensuring that every signature on a contract in the coming months will have massive ripple effects for years to come. As we look toward the horizon of 2027, the message is clear. The era of the autopilot motorcycle is over. The combination of its arrival, its potential defection, and the radical new rules promises to bring pure riding ability back to the very heart of the sport. We are moving away from a world of data-driven dominance and back to a time of grit, bravery, and mechanical sympathy. Legendary champion Marco predicts a future where we'll not only be at the front, but will be locked in a civil war with his own teammates to prove who truly owns them. For the American sports fan, This is the ultimate spectacle, a high-speed, high-stakes drama where the heroes are forced to wrestle 250 horsepower beasts without the safety net of modern electronics. The next few years will be a wild, unpredictable ride that will separate the merely fast from the eternal legends. Buckle up, because the GP revolution is here, and it's going to be absolutely spectacular.